Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. Go ahead and thumbs up the video. We're going to take our prayers from our box of prayer cards from our friend Audrey. And these are our prayer cards, and our prayer today is going to come from Psalms 25, 4 and 5. And it says, "Show me your ways, O Lord. Teach me your paths. Lead me in your truth and teach me, for you are the God of my salvation. On you I wait all day." Psalms 25, 4 and 5. Thank you for joining me for the word of the Lord today. And we're going to get right into the project that I came to show you today. We finished our butterfly. Yay! This is a butterfly that I think I got it from Rose and Lily Crochet. I'm going to try to remember to put the link in the description on the tutorial that I followed. She used a different yarn. My yarn was way more thicker than hers. She used I think it was a size 5. She didn't really tell you what she used. So I just used what I had, and I used this Sparkle Burnette for this part of it, and this is Comfy Occasions, I think, the Hobby Lobby yarn, and this one is a Hobby Lobby yarn as well. Let's see if I can find this is Comfy Occasions Black. That's what this is, and let's see if this is the sparkle one. And the sparkle one is Baby Burnette Sparkle, and the color is Sunshine Sparkle. So Sunshine Sparkle for the yellow, and then this is Occasion Black. I didn't have this is Comfy Occasions too, same color, but I don't know what the color is. It's like a gold or a marigold or something like that, because I didn't have the tag. I only just had a little ball left of it. So this is what the back of it looks like. So you put it together. You have to make the 4 wings separately, and then you have to sew the wings together, and then you sew the 2 pieces together, and then you have to make the body separate, and then you have to sew the body down the middle. And then she did the antennas a different way, but that way wasn't working for me, so I did my own thing. I single crocheted 5, and then just I chained 5 and then single crocheted down the center. So I have my butterfly for my aunt ready to go tomorrow, so I will take this to my auntie, and I hope she likes it. So, but now my project is complete. I'm still working on my other project. I haven't gotten very far because I haven't really worked on it today, but this is what it's looking like so far. And yeah, like I said, it's way more challenging than I remember it to be. I'm gonna have to, my black is like way duller than I wanted it to be, but I'm gonna finish the project. So I'm on my 3rd row of crocodile stitches over here. So I have to do at least 4 rows. So I might try to get the 4 rows and the double crochet row on tonight before I go to bed. And then tomorrow finish my crocodile row and at least the other row of double crochets to start my next color, because I'm going to do 4 crocodile rows. I'll roll it later. I'm going to do 4 crocodile rows in every color, in that blue, in the black, the yellow, and the green. So we'll get to it. We'll get it finished. We'll get it finished. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thank you for everyone who's been watching my videos, all of my Vlogmas videos. I'm still committed to a video a day. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have more on this or maybe I'll have something else. I don't know. So we'll see. But thanks for watching. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye.